After marketing Roundup as being safer than table salt, the weed killer was identified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as a potential carcinogen responsible for non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in a 2015 report. As a result, plaintiffs from around the world filed claims against Monsanto, alleging that it withheld evidence of Roundup's toxicity to humans. If you've been exposed to Roundup and have filed a lawsuit against Monsanto, legal funding could give you the financial resources you need for a long legal battle. Find out how a defective drugs loan, also known as legal funding, can benefit you and if it's the right option for your case. Legal funding can help to pay for some of these expenses, allowing you to keep up the fight for your settlement without needing to accept a lower award. At High Rise Financial, we offer defective drugs loans to Roundup lawsuit plaintiffs. Applying is easy, takes just a few minutes, and can be done online or with one of our agents. Contact us today to get your application for pre-settlement funding started.